right, last little part is called rationalizing the denominator, which when we say rationalizing the denominator, remember the denominator is the number in the bottom of a fraction or the number you're dividing by. And what we do not like is having a radical or a square root in the bottom. So we're trying to get rid of that. So there's a few steps. The first one is multiplying a fraction by 1 to change its value. 1 times anything is itself. So an expression divided by itself is also equal to 1. So that's saying something like 2 over 2 is equal to 1. Is it not? Right, it is. So in order to get rid of a radical, the square root symbol, in the denominator, we are going to multiply the numerator, which is the top, and the denominator by the radical or square root in the denominator. And is the bottom. And then our last step, that of course is going to be to simplify. So let's go through this. This first, but to kind of learn. So 8 over the square root of 2. So my number bottom, my radical in the bottom is the square root of 2. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by the square root. When I do that, I across, so I get 8 over. And remember, when we multiply radicals, the inside gets multiplied with the inside. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, what's the square root of 4? 2. You get 8, square root of 2 over 2. Now, we want to simplify as much as possible. 8 over 2 is divisible. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So my final answer is 4 root 2. Let's look at another one. So I have 8 over the square root of 3. So again, if we're going to multiply and the bottom by the square root of 3, and then multiply across. So 3 times the square root of 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So the square root of 9. We know the square root of 9 is 3. So we're left with 3 over 3, or 3 square root of 3 over 3. Now these 3's are going to cancel out, and all I'm left with is the square root of 3. So you may notice that while you are multiplying the bottoms, you've got the square root of 3 times square root of 3. That turns into the square root of 9, which just turns into 3. So some of you may see a pattern, and you're more than welcome to use that pattern. All right, in the bottom of C, I have the root of 5. I'm not multiplying by 2 root 5. I am just multiplying by the root 5. So root 5 and root 5. Multiply across, you have 15 root 5 over, the 2 still stays in the bottom, and then we get 5 times 5 is 25. Now we're going to simplify this. Again, we've got 15 root 5 in the top. We've got 2 times the square root of 25 is 5. So that gives us 15 root 5 over 10. And then I can simplify this because 15 and 10 are both divisible by 5 and reduce to 3 root 5 over 2. Okay, last one. I'm going to do orange. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by the square root of 10. 5 times the square root of 10 in the top. 10 times 10 is 100. The square root of 100 in the bottom. That, of course, is going to reduce the bottom or simplify 10 because the square root of 100 is 10. And 5 and 10 are divisible with each other, so that's going to give me the square root of 10. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So my final answer is the square root of 10 over 2.